Do not lie. Huwag kang mag-concoct story. Masama yan. Kung ganon, ikaw ang patayin ko. You do destroy the name of persons or a cabinet member, kung mayroon kayo na transaction, let me know. As far as I'm concerned, they are all honest. At kung mayroon ka, sabihin mo in public and I will ask that cabinet member to resign immediately. Ayan yung gano'n. Hindi maganda yung, yung haka-haka because it will destroy. Sino pang maniwala sa amin kung you keep on parlaying this mga ganitong istorya? Ako, baski, hindi lang sa public. In government, if there is anybody who can prove that I received money from the